Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Projects. Today we have come with a new project that is fingerprint based door unlock system. So for this purpose we have used a fingerprint sensor. This is a fingerprint sensor and we have used a solenoid valve and we have used an Arduino UNO and we have used a two channel relay and this is the buck converter. So we have taken the power supply from the adapter and this is the 12 volts to 5 volts. We have set that to 12 volts to 5 volts and the 5 volts is given as a power supply to the two channel relay and as well as the fingerprint sensor. So let's get into the working of the project. So for this project we have to enroll our finger. This is the fingerprint sensor. First we have to enroll our finger, keeping as the id 1 2 3. We can give it up to 127 fingers. So there are two codes here. One code is for the enrollment and after that there is a second code which is to open or close the door. So let's get into the working of the project. So I have enrolled my finger before as the id 1. I am keeping my right hand thumb to it. I am making it to recognize my finger and open the solenoid valve. You can see I kept my finger here. You can see it has recognized that it is my finger and it got open. You can see again. You can enroll up to 127 fingerprints and I think everyone understood the project.